Expand. Take down the problem. Taylor series problem for two variables. Your question: expand e power x into sine y in powers of x and y. X and y. Here your given function is what? Your f of x comma y, which is equals to e to the power of x into sine y. This is our function. So what we will do? We will differentiate thrice we will do. So what is the series here? The function, the interval they have not given. There is a no interval it's given in the question. So we will consider that a is equals to 0 and b is also it's equals to 0. So your Taylor series formula is what? Taylor series formula. First you write your Taylor series formula. Then it will be clear for you what you need the values in the series. What is the formula? F of a, we will take as an what? F of a plus h comma b plus k, which is equals to f of a comma b, then plus of h f suffix x of a comma b, then plus k f suffix y of a comma b, then plus h square by 2 factorial f double f suffix double x of a comma b, then plus hk f suffix x comma y of a comma b, then plus k square by 2 factorial f suffix y comma y of a comma b, then plus 1 by 3 factorial 1 by 3 factorial of h cube f suffix x into x of a comma b, then plus 3h square into k f of double x into y of a comma b, then plus 3h k square f suffix of x into y comma y of a comma b, then plus k cube f suffix y comma y of a comma b, then plus so on. Here, since in this question the intervals are not given, so what we will do? We will consider h is equals to x, your k is equals to y, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0. Since intervals are not given, when intervals are not given, you are going to consider a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. Then this Taylor series formula will get changed to Maclaurin series. Here it's going to be as a what? F of x comma y, which is equals to f of 0 comma 0, then plus x into f suffix x of 0 comma 0, then plus y into f suffix y of 0 comma 0, then plus plus h square, sorry, x square by 2 factorial f suffix x comma x of 0 comma 0, then plus x y into f of x comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus y square by 2 factorial f suffix y comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus 1 by 3 factorial of x cube f suffix x into x 0 comma 0, then plus 3x square y f of x x into y of 0 comma 0, then plus 3h 3x y square f of x comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus so on. We'll mark this is equals to our equation number 1. Now we need all the values of your f of x, f of y, f of double x, where your f of x stands for partially differentiating with respect to x. This is with respect, this is with respect to x, with respect to y, and this is double time differentiating with respect to x, and this is differentiating your f dou f by dou y with respect to x. Yes, Aditya, it's clear what that means as an f suffix x comma y, f suffix y comma y means it's a partial derivative with respect to that function. You're there or not,
Yes,
Aditya?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Our given function is
But
what? E power x into sine y.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the f x y y.
Hmm.
Ma'am, that we can just take f, which is double differentiated with
See,
y, and then just
wait.
derive it.
I will show you. Your f suffix x means dou by dou x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That dou f by dou x. Then your f suffix y means dou f by dou y. Then your f suffix x comma x means dou square f by dou x square. Then dou f suffix x comma y means dou square f by dou x into dou y, where your f suffix y comma y is equals to dou square f by dou y square. Then your f suffix triple x, that is 3 time derivatives, dou cube by dou x cube, and your f suffix f suffix x comma y, it's equals to dou square. What is happening?
Ma'am, my screen lagged out. It's white now.
Wait. Hmm. Yeah. Then your dou dou xx we have written. Then f suffix double x comma y, which is equals to dou square f by dou x square into dou y. Then next is your f suffix x into double y. That means that is your dou square f by dou x into dou y square. Is it clear? Now we'll find that one. Our given function, given f of x comma y, which is equals to e power x into sine y. So first time f suffix x is equals to, use your uv, make this is equals to your u and this is equals to your v. Your uv whole dash, which is equals to u dash into v plus uv dash. So when you're going to differentiate your e power x differentiation is equals to, yes Aditya, e power x differentiation,
E raised to x.
yes, e to the power of e to the power of x into sine y. Then when we are going to do that v differentiation, it will become 0, because for the sine we are not having any x function, it's a y function, so the term anyhow it's going to be 0. Next, your f suffix y, it's equals to e power x will get as another, first part will become 0. The next part e power x I will keep as an affix. Then
e
occurs
raised to x
sine y differentiation is equals to
plus y cos y.
cos y. It's equals to cos y. Next, oh god, cos y. The next, f suffix x into x is equals to,
Ma'am,
this you have to
same.
differentiate, e power x
Ma'am,
into,
same.
yeah, same, sine y. Next is your
Minus e raised to x minus sin y. Like minus e raised to x sin y.
next you are saying f into x into y. So this you have to differentiate. So what you're going to get, e power x into cos y. Next,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus e raised to x sin y. F by y.
hmm, next is your f into y. It's equals to what you said, minus e power x sine y. Yes, e to the power of,
Sin y. I think.
yes, sine y. Next, it's over now. Triple we have to do. F of x into x. Double time differentiation, e power x into sine y. So next, third time if you'll do same thing, we are going to get into sine y. Next is your double x
Ma'am, let the minus. Ma'am, won't the
hmm,
minus be there?
minus here. This is your double timer. When you're going to do for this one more timer, it will come as same thing, no? E power x into sine y only we
Yes,
are going to
yes,
get.
yes.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, my
Then
mistake.
now double x into y occur. So what you're going to get from there? Double x
One
as
second.
this one. For this one you have to do with respect to y. So e power x into cos y we are
That's
going
why.
to get. E power x into cos y. Next, f suffix x into y into y. It's equals to, for this one you have to do differentiating with respect to x. This is your double time one. So now one more you have to do with
Minus e.
respect to x. Yes, minus e power x into sine y. Next, you have to do for f of y and y. It's equals to, double time it's minus e power x into sine y. Now next what you're going to get, sine y differentiation, it's equals to cos y. So minus e to the power of x into cos y. Now what we need the values, we need the values of all zeros. We are going to we we are going to substitute here 0 comma 0, then in from there we are going to get the values. So your f of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e to the power of 0 into sine 0, it's equals to what, sine 0 value is equals to
Um,
0.
0, 0.
The board letters are vanishing from my board. F of x x 0 comma 0, it's equals to e to the power of 0 into sine 0, it's equals to 0. Oh god, what happened? It's equals to 0. Then from here f suffix y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e to the power of 0 cos cos 0. Cos 0 value is equals to?
Ma'am, I have a doubt here.
Yes.
If you're multiplying f of... Oh, okay, okay. No, 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 no. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay, it's
Yeah.
okay. And then f of x comma,
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, I have a doubt. If you x is 0 and y is 0, right?
hmm,
No, no. Oh, a and b is
e
0.
power x is 0. Wherever the x is there, I'm substituting 0. Wherever y is there, I'm going to substitute is equals to 0. It's a two variable function, sir.
Okay,
See,
okay, ma'am.
in the equation 1, what we are having? F suffix x of 0 comma 0 we are having. Then as an then plus y of y 0 comma 0. That's the reason we are finding that one. And then x comma x of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e power 0 sine 0, it's equals to 0. Then from here f of x y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e power 0 into cos 0, it's equals to 0. Then f of y comma y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to minus e power 0 into sine 0, it's
Ma'am,
equals
cos 0
to,
is 1, right?
yeah, this should be 1. This is 1, sorry. Then next it's equals to x x of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e power 0 into sine 0, it's equals to 0. Then from here f of x y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to e power 0 into cos 0, it's equals to 1. Then from here f of x y comma y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to minus e power 0 into sine 0, it's equals to 0. Then from here f of triple y of 0 comma 0, it's equals to minus e power 0 into cos 0 is equals to 1. Now all these values, what we are going to do, we are going to substitute in the equation number 1. Here we have to substitute all these values. Here we have to frame those values. Now one by one you tell Aditya the values, because for me it's getting difficult to see up and down. Where you are
Yes,
f
ma'am.
of mm, f of x
F of
comma
x
y,
comma y equal to
it's equals to,
is equal to 0.
it is equals to 0,
0 plus
0 plus
plus
0, then
x
plus
into...
y, then plus 1 by
That's my question, because
mm,
how do you do that? Because if x is already 0 there, won't the whole equation just be 0?
yeah, obviously I'm substituting 0 only na. See, f of 0 comma 0, it's a 0. Then x into f of x comma 0, it's a 0. Where your y of f comma y of 0 comma 0 value is equals to 1. So from here we got as an a y term. See
How,
all
but
this,
isn't x and y 0?
all these values you see. These
No,
values.
no, x
Hmm.
and y is right. No, I'm like, in the formula that you gave, x into fx into 0 comma 0, right?
Here,
So
yes.
x is 0,
Hmm.
we took x is
Yes,
0,
here you have to
and
substitute.
yes, ma'am, but y is also 0, so won't that first full equation just get cancelled out?
No. Y will come. Your f of y comma is f suffix y of 0 comma 0 value is equals to 1. From there, one term will come.
But then isn't x 0?
No, see, wait. I will write that equation once again. Don't get confused. Your what you got as an that function will be as a f of 0 comma 0, then plus x into f suffix x of 0 comma 0, right? Then plus
Yes, sir.
your y of f of y 0 comma 0, then plus 1 by 2 factorial of x square f suffix x comma x of 0 comma 0, then plus 2x y f suffix x into y of 0 comma 0, then plus y square f suffix y comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus 1 by 3 factorial of x cube f suffix x into x of 0 comma 0, then plus 3x square f suffix x y of 0 comma 0, then plus 3 x y square f of x into y comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus y cube f of y comma y of 0 comma 0, then plus so on. This is our equation which we have written. Now all the values we have calculated. F of 0
We
comma
found the value.
f of
No,
0 comma 0, when we are going to, please, when we are going to substitute x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 in the given function, that completely term it's going to be 0. Just now we have calculated all the terms. See all the
ma'am,
values we are having.
ma'am,
Yeah.
my question is we took x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, right?
Hmm.
So, ma'am, you can just scroll down.
Hmm.
Ma'am, but then we are multiplying x and y with that function, right? That fx. So, isn't that x and y also 0? So,
Oh,
won't the whole thing become 0?
no. See, this your this term will become 0. This will become 0. But your f of y of 0 comma 0 value is equals to what? See, it's equals to 1. Your f suffix y of 0 comma 0 value is equals to 1. So how it will be 0? Y
Ma'am,
into,
because no, there is a y there, right? There's a normal y multiplied with it, right? Like there's
hmm,
a y. So isn't that y equal to 0?
no, it will not be 0. You frame the values and see all the values you are having now. You frame it and
No,
see
the x into f of f subscript of x, right?
which term you
That
are
x.
saying.
No, the first term. Take the first term. The first
This one.
after f.
This one you're
Uh,
saying? This
ma'am, the
term
x
you're,
into
you're talking about
fx.
this one.
No, ma'am, the next word, that
This
x.
one will become 0.
Ma'am. So, but then there is y also. Y is also equal to 0, right?
No. Why? This y is not 0. We are substituting a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. We are not substituting as x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0.
Ma'am, but then our equation was full fx, fy,
Ah,
fx,
this
x, y, y.
where we have h we have replaced with x, and y k we have replaced with a k of k we have replaced with a y, and a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. So you cannot substitute here y is equals to 0. Y is not a 0. Y is not a 0 function. We are not substituting y is equals to 0. You frame the values and see, you will get it. Where your f of, what is the meaning of then finding? The complete series will become 0. When x
No,
is equals to
no,
0,
no,
y
no.
is equals to 0. The series
Ma'am,
will become 0.
okay, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am, can I just keep it as h and x, no, h and k, instead of keeping it as x and y?
You can keep it, no problem.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. That was my doubt.
This is equals to 0, then plus x into 0, then plus y into 1, plus 1 by 2 factorial of, what value we got of x suffix x into x? It's a 0. X
Yes,
square
ma'am.
into 0, then plus 2xy, f of x comma y value we got, it's equals to 1. 1, then plus y square, f of y comma y that value is equals to 0, plus 1 by 3 factorial of x cube, f of triple x value is equals to 0, then plus 3x square, f of x square into y value is equals to 1, then plus 3x y square. F of y square into x value, it's equals to 0. Then plus y cube. F triple y value is equals to minus 1.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 plus so on. So that is equals to f of x comma y, which is equals to y plus 1 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equals to 2. This term is equals to 0. 2x y. Then plus from here 3 factorial, it's equals to 6. 1 by 6 of this is 0. 3x square 3x square minus y cube, which is your required series. If you want, still you can simplify. F of x comma y, it's equals to y plus this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. It's equals to x y, then plus what term we got here? Y we are missing. X square y. 3 x square 3x square y by 6 minus y cube by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. It's equals to y plus xy, then plus x square y by 6 minus y cube by 6, then plus so on. Yes, Aditya, any doubt over here? Is it clear?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's clear.